Hello friends, hello my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. Today I am going to share the quiz World No Tobacco Day because today is World No Tobacco Day. For celebration of this day, I have prepared a quiz. So if you want to attend, you have to provide your email ID, name of the student, name of the school, college or university. Any school or college or university can attend this quiz. There is no problem. Only you have to mention your name, email ID properly. If you not give your email ID properly, then the certificate will not be delivered to your email box. So those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you can get up to date information of different current affairs, general knowledge, as well as different quizzes and video series on social science and video series on CTVD, and OSST. So without making delay, let's discuss. This is the information: first email ID, second name of the students, school, college, university, class and roll First one, that is World No Tobacco Day. When resolution number 4219 was passed by the World Health
I'll be waiting while you're not alone. I won't be surprised if you know the road is gone. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be your
Question number 5. The day is further intended to draw attention to the widespread prevalence of tobacco use and to negative health effects, which currently led to more than dash millions deaths each year worldwide, including 1.2 millions are the results of non-smokers being exposed to second-hand smoke, that is 8 million people. In 1998, the WHO established the TFI, an attempt to focus international resources and attention on the global health issue of tobacco. So here question arises, what do TFI stand for? Right answer is Tobacco Free Initiative. Next question, the initiative provides assistance for creating global public health policy, encourages mobilizations between societies and supports the World Health Organizations. So FCTC stands for Framework Conventions on Tobacco Control, that is option number first. Next question, in dash on the eve of the World No Tobacco Day, the WHO called for a worldwide ban on all tobacco advertising, promotions and sponsorship. The theme for that year day was Tobacco Free Youth, that is on 2008. Each year the WHO selects a theme for the day in order to create a more unified global message for United World No Tobacco Day. This theme then become the central component of the WHO's tobacco-related agenda for the following year. This year the theme of WNTD is Make Every Day World No Tobacco Day. No tobacco breaks hearts. The option number C, that is commit to Quit the option C is the right answer. Come to the next question. On package of tobacco, health warnings that contain both pictures and text are more effective than those that contain only text. So this is the right statement that stated. That means option number A, true, is the right answer. Tobacco advertisements are acceptable as long as they do not make tobacco use look glamorous. This is false statements. Whether it is look glamorous or not, it is not acceptable at all. So false is the right answer. Next question. According to the WHO framework for FCTC is a global public health treaty adopted in 2003. Each party shall undertake a comprehensive ban of all tobacco advertisement, promotion, and sponsorship. It described in Article Text of FCTC. World Health Organization article FCTC Article 13 is the right answer. Next, according to the treaty, each party shall develop and disseminate appropriate, comprehensive, and integrated guidelines based on scientific evidence and best practices, taking into account national circumstances and priorities, and shall take effective measures to promote cessation of tobacco use and adequate treatment for tobacco dependence. It is stated in WHO FCTC Article 14. Raising taxes on tobacco product is generally considered to be the most effective tobacco control measures according to the treaty. The parties recognize that price and tax measures are effective and important means of reducing tobacco consumption by various segments of the population, in particularly young persons, is mentioned in WHO FCTC Article number 6. Are you read the message in this image? Say no to tobacco. Why some smoke when it kills you? Quit smoking. That is yes, will be obvious. So in this you have to attend the quiz and go to my description box of your YouTube channels. Here the link is given. You have to just click the YouTube link and attend the quiz. Thank you. Have a nice day. Say no tobacco. No tobacco. No tobacco.